Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this sleeper sofa, Loveseat sleeper sofa actually, that this brand sent to me for this video. I've been trying it out. We have it in our guest room now, and I think it could be really good for like an alternative if you receive people, if you have people crashing your house, like friends and family or things like that, or just like for emergencies. Like for example, if you have you're changing your bed or like switching your mattress or something like that, and you need a place to stay and actually sleep, this could be a really good option. Let's talk about the assembly process first before I show you how to use it for sure. Assembly process is actually fairly simple. I have to say it probably took me like between 35 and 40 minutes with power tools, so it's actually super easy to assemble just with one person. I'm sure that if it's like two people, it's gonna be way faster, like probably like 25 or 30 minutes. So it's actually well explained right here. Let me actually show it to you. Super close, nice and easy. Right here, you're gonna find all the instructions, and as I was saying before, it's easy enough to do it like in 35 or 40 minutes. Let's talk about the comfort. This thing is actually fairly comfortable, I have to say. Not only because you can actually switch it to kind of like a small bed or like a larger bed, but also as a sofa, as a love seat, it's fairly comfortable as well. And you can put the pillows in it, and you can actually have a really nice time watching a movie or something like that. So let me actually show you in a close-up. And by the way, this thing supports 500 pounds. So that's actually a lot for, I want to say, like two people sleeping and sitting here. Yeah, that's allowed. So things that I like about this one. First of all, the one thing that I really like is that this place right here, this section right here, is not something that actually goes back to extend the bed, but actually falls this way. I'm going to show that one to you. But that's important because if you need to put this kind of like against the wall, you don't actually need to account for a space to actually bend that way. So that's actually pretty nice. This, you're going to see where I'm going to put this pillow right now. So you remove these two pillows, and then you remove the Velcro from here, which is kind of like a cover. So that's super easy. And then of course you remove these pillows, which I'm gonna use in a few seconds as well. And then right here, you're gonna see the legs that you can actually pull now if you want. It has a lock mechanism, so that's actually in place. It won't move. So it's actually secure for you to have a good experience in sleeping. You can slide this first if you want, just like this. It has like two reels right here, so you can slide them right there. And then once you're done, you just do this, and you have the first section of the bed already. And as I was mentioning before, the pillows, you can actually put them here. And then the other thing you're gonna do, you're gonna remove this cover right here. You're gonna switch it to the other side. Super simple, just like that. And then you're gonna do this right here. You're gonna fold it this way. Last but not least, when you're done, you extend this as the other part of the bed. So now you have the full bed assembled and ready to use, but for sure you can also add this as part of your bed, and that's it. You have a full bed right here. So as you can see right here, I'm 5'10", and I still have enough room right here on this side for sure for like another person, or also I have room to extend myself. So that's actually really good. This is fairly comfy. The whole bed, it's about like 78 inches. And this section right here, if you put this bag right here on the back and just use it as an extended love seat for watching movies or things like that, is 60 inches. And the whole structure, like wide, it's 54 inches, I want to say. So fairly have a 54 by 78 inches bed that you can sleep comfortably right here. Oh, it's super comfy. I like it for, as I was saying before, like an alternative or like emergencies or things like that. Having something like this could be really beneficial. And if you have friends and family crashing your place suddenly or something like that, it could be also another good thing to do. Folded it back is gonna be super. It's the same thing. Just fold it this way, put this on the back, fold it one more time, put the pillows, and you're done. Super nice and easy, comfy as well, easy to assemble, and for sure it could be a really good alternative for those situations that I mentioned before. I like it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.